Faith is not like tangible, but it is so close to real, we call it a piece of the real. One writer called it evidence. One writer called it substance of something hoped for. Faith. Imagination mixed with faith. Now, as a leader, no telling what you can accomplish. As a father, no telling what you can build. When I built my first house for my family in Idaho all those years ago, I used to take friends of mine out to the vacant lot and show them through the house. Is that possible?
Sure.
Yes, of course. I used to say, here's the 3-car garage. And they would look and say, yeah, this will hold 3 cars. The house that wasn't there, I described it so well they could see it. I could see it. Isn't that what the artist does, that puts together the artist's rendering and says, this is the house that isn't there? Say, no, the house isn't there. Say, no, yes, this is the house. So I'd take, my friends on a little journey through the house. This is the fireplace. It's got bricks on one side and it's got white stone on the other side. They would say, wow, what a fireplace. And I'd take them through the bedrooms, the whole thing. Here's this kitchen with a view window. In the kitchen where you can see this incredible view. And they would look out the window. I described that house so well. One day, one of my friends bumped his elbow on the fireplace. I'm telling you. Here's what you must do as a leader, especially as a parent. You must be able to see the future. You must be able to design it. Yes, see it as it is. But here's the next step of faith. See it better than it is. If you see it better than it is now, that's the vision. That takes faith. Then here's the third step. See it better than it is. Believe it can be better than it is. And number 3 is make it better. Go to work. And then a little bit of caution. Don't see it for more than it can become. Plenty is possible without being foolish. What did Brian say? He said, I want to be a millionaire by the end of the week. See, would you give us a little longer? Well, come on, that's not realistic. There's a thin line between faith and folly. And that's a good one not to cross. Plenty is possible without being foolish. Here's the next in finishing my portion today. I did a little talk one time on what made me wealthy. And here's what I covered. We did a little bit of it on lifestyle. One was my heritage has made me wealthy. My parents, my children, books I didn't write that I read. What makes me rich is my country that has so much to offer. If I don't take advantage of it, it's my fault. I get to settle some accounts in courts I didn't construct. Send my children to schools I didn't build. All part of my heritage. I jump on an airplane I didn't construct. Talk on a telephone I didn't invent. You could just go on and on with this list. The things we've been blessed with that were not the work of our hands, but were the work of many hands and geniuses that put it all together. That whole heritage list is so extraordinary. If you take the time to do it, you'll become so inspired by what you've got and what serves you so well that you didn't put together, somebody else did. Somebody else paid the ultimate price. For our freedom in America, many paid the ultimate price, World War II especially. 50 million people lost their lives World War II fighting for freedom, trying to stop the Hitler Nazi machine and then communism. Wow, and here we are. It's all handed to us, and the lights are on, and the place is ready, and the seats are here, and the tables are here, and the speaker has arrived. Wow, what gifts we have. Next, I said I'm wealthy because of my experiences. The places I've gone and the people I've met and what I've experienced has made me rich. We sometimes hear this expression, he has a wealth of experience. See, that's true. A wealth of experience. So here's the next key on this now. Treat your experiences as wealth. Commodity, coin, currency. So what do we do with wealth? We invest it. We invest the wealth of our experiences into the possibilities of the future. Next, I'm wealthy because of my friends and my associates. Extraordinary people who say to me, what do you want to do? We'll just go do it. What do you want to accomplish? We'll just go do it. We'll accomplish it. How much more do you want to do? We'll get it done. It's so great to be surrounded by those kind of people. You say, what do you want to do? We'll go do it. If you can dream it, we can help. If you can dream it, we'll put it together. Unbelievable. How valuable is that? You can't buy it with money. Next, I'm wealthy because of the knowledge that's come my way. The teachers like this weekend who have taught me. In those early days, I sat in these classes just like you and took notes and wondered about the possibilities. Could it be possible that this stuff is really that simple? But if I put it to work, it could be so profound. Next, I'm wealthy because of my future. A chance to serve, a chance to travel, a chance to teach, a chance to inspire, a chance to tell one more person that the possibilities are limitless no matter what's happened in the past. Next, relationships that are extraordinary. Marriage, friendship, those great experiences that have served us all so well. Here's the next. And we've written this somewhere, some of you may already have it. It says, let others lead small lives, but not you. Let others, cry and whimper over small hurts, but not you. Then another one that really helped me secure a fortune and fortunes after. Here it is. Learn to help people not just with their jobs, but with their lives. I learned early in my accelerated business career to teach life skills as well as business skills, work skills and job skills. Because guess what? We need both work skills and life skills. Here's the last one. It's a promise from the Bible. Here's what it says. If you work on your gifts, they will make room for you. If you work on your gifts, they will make room for you. They'll make a place for you. You'll be invited to some extraordinary places if you keep working on your gifts. Make yourself valuable, make yourself attractive, make yourself unique. Become a person who has plenty to give and plenty to share, whether it's ideas or money or treasure or time. If you will work on that, you'll have places. Look where my gifts have brought me. From the farm country of Idaho to this magnificent place to serve and share ideas, my experiences. Hopefully that will make a difference. And last, when I'm gone, people always ask, what would you like said after you're gone? And I came up with something the other day. It was pretty simple. Here it is. Jim Rohn made a major contribution to someone. Jim Rohn made a major contribution to someone, and then another one, and another one, and another one. Wow. And that journey continues for me. So if you've got my name on your notes, which hopefully I'm sure you have, when we leave here, I go with you, these notes and all the experience that we've had. But I promise you this, as we leave here, I will not leave you behind. I'll take you with me in my thoughts and in my heart.